election. Let's go west now. Vaughn Hilliard standing by there in Arizona. Vaughn, tell us why Arizona, first of all, could play a key role in filling this vacancy.
The Arizona Senate race, Craig, you're right, already had heightened attention on it because of its closeness and the potential that Democrat Mark Kelly could knock off Republican Martha McSally, who is currently the incumbent in this position. But it's important to remember why this is important. It's because it's technically a special election. You'll recall McSally filled the vacancy that was left by the late Senator John McCain. And because it's a special election, Mark Kelly has the potential to enter the United States Senate as soon as the state of Arizona certifies, if he were to win, his election victory. The day the state is set to certify the election results is November 30th. And that's why that increases a sense of urgency for Senate Republicans. Of course, Susan Collins and Lisa Murkowski are the two Republicans at this point who have said, Craig, that they are going to vote no on the president's nominee, but it's going to take two more Republicans. But if Mitch McConnell is not able to bring this to a vote before November 30th, when Mark Kelly, the Democrat, could be potentially sworn in, that would lower that number to just three. I spent the day yesterday here across the greater Phoenix area talking to voters about the Supreme Court, and what I heard was a very engaged electorate. Every single individual I talked to was familiar with the storyline of RGB's passing and the SCOTUS fight that is pending. Take a listen to Mark Crouch, one young voter here.
Very scared.
There's some Democrats that have threatened to pack the Supreme Court, essentially add justices in 2021. Is that something you would support if Republicans push this through?
I mean, I don't know. I feel like we're changing. Everything's changing too much. We need to slow it down, pump the brakes. The whole point of our democracy is that the wheels are supposed to turn slowly so that the change is effective and it's the right change. And right now, it's just polarized opposites, just making changes to benefit their power, and it's wrong on both sides.
Now, Craig, as part of this conversation, just like Mark there, I talked to a great number of Democrats who are hesitant about this idea of court packing, in 2021, potentially adding Supreme Court justices. But at the same rate, I talked with Randy Hall, a Republican here, who's going to vote for Donald Trump's reelection. At the same time, Randy urging the president to not bring a nominee to the floor of the U.S. Senate because he believes in a more moderate Supreme Court. There's a lot of questions here as to where this fight goes. In talking to voters here, voters are just beginning to really put into perspective not only the Supreme Court decisions that could potentially be overturned with the supermajority of conservative justices, but also the implications if Democrats were to attempt to add justices on come these following years here, Craig.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.